Okay, guys, this is my big update on HOLO, guys. I think we I think we are due for, not just these quick little bounces, but like I said, we are definitely due for the EMA 20 in my other videos. I just want to show you what the current trend looks like. Be patient. And I really think that we are due for the big move. If you look at the past history of the moves, the short squeezes, the volume's good. We're at a 6 on the K on the stochastic oscillator, which will refresh here. But honestly, if we go up to 40 cents here, you guys are making bank. So the 47 cents here, I will show you like my percentage calculator. If you guys got this stock, let's just say it's right at 29. 0.29 and we go to 46, 0.46, you're looking at a 58% increase right there at the EMA 20. So, like I said, HOLO is one of the hardest stocks to predict. It's one of those things where you have to be extremely patient. I'm looking at it. I'm like 29 cents. This thing was like $1, just like what way back in June. Literally like a month and a couple weeks, this thing has went from $1 to 28 cents. This thing was $2 last time it hit the EMA 20. But when is it enough to say, is this too cheap to ignore? When can you finally make that assumption? You really can't. You really cannot say, well, this is the absolute bottom and it's going to go up from here and start an uptrend. No one can say that. Anybody that says that, you need to stop following them. You need to run away and readjust things because they've probably been pumping HOLO since it was $3. Or worst case scenario, way above that. I'm going to keep it simple. Keep it simple, stupid. What does the strategy tell me? What does the system do? And do a system that works. If you're trading a system that just keeps hitting 52-week lows, and you're just like, why is this thing going up? You're going to keep hitting these 52 lows, and you're going to just keep burned out, and you're going to just be frustrated with the market. It's doing a very clear pattern. HOLO, like I said in the last video, we need to hit that lower trend channel for that big bounce effect. I very well think we can. It's just more of a patience game. Are you willing to wait it out and accept the fact that you could miss this big move? If it just barely don't touch it and goes all the way up. The problem is, HOLO, we're in this very small channel here. I think unless you get this bottom trend channel, which is sitting at 24 cents, it could change the next day because it's going to fluctuate about a 1 cent. We just need a big overreaction candle, and then bulls are going to be alerted on the scanner, and I'll buy this. I'll buy it up. I know this is due for an EMA 20, which is around 47 cents. It'll always hit the EMA 20. It has to, and it's a guarantee. The last time we hit it was back in June 4th. The current date is 8/12, so that's 7/04, 8/04. We're past the magic 2-month mark. Anything that don't touch the EMA 20 in 2 months is extremely long. But it's no doubt why we're seeing this, because the market's been terrible. Pennies are just going way below than what they think. People thought, HOLO was cheap at $1, $2, $3. But with this system, though, you would never held HOLO at this point here. You guys know if it hits the EMA 20, you have to get out, accept defeat, or take your gains. Obviously, with this system, you would have been in massive gain territory because right here was the last EMA 20. We wait for time distance. We look for the trend channel here. We only take the trades when it has a nice trend, and then bam, oh whammy. Right here is where we have this. We had these short-term trends. You got to look for what's respecting, up, down, and then here's this bottom trend, and then bam, you're out of the trend channel. That's really what I want to see right here, guys. We had this bottom trend channel, and we're out of the trend channel and hit the EMA 20. So this trend channel becomes irrelevant, and then we look for the next trend channel. And that's really what we keep doing, but we wait for time distance so we have enough candles to say, okay, what is the new trend channel from? And you can clearly see, well, here's our new channel that we form. And once you have enough consistent candles, you can clearly see, okay, here's our next channel. I'll accumulate this and sell the rips. And as you can see, you can make massive money on HOLO if you keep doing that. I just want to give, that's really the only thing we can predict. Nobody knows how high this can jump. Can it jump? Absolutely. It's had histories of jumping 1,000%, but we just don't know when. I mean, if you bought it right now, 28 cents to $1, you would need it to jump over 200% just to get to $1. So it's just best to stick to what works, guys. The K is at a 6.07. That is extremely low. I just don't see this going too much lower, but we don't want to get too overconfident. I would love to see this bottom trend channel for the big money be pouring in, and then we'll definitely have a jump up here, guys. This is HOLO, guys. We're definitely expecting. I played this thing so many times, scalping it, day trading it, swinging it, for just nice consistent gains, because we know what price has to do. In shorter time frames, price goes and reverses the mean in a faster time, and that's why I love day trading options. I make massive money trading the indexes, SPY, QQQ, Nvidia, Tesla, doing this same strategy using the 3 minute, the 1 minute, and looking at, okay, when price goes and reverts to something like this is a brief example, we can't sustain this usually. Sometimes, usually what happens, you revert to the EMA 20, and when you're day trading options, this move alone will give you about 20 to 30% gains doing 0 DTE. That's what I want to show you guys. If you guys want to join the premium Discord and see the strategy that works, understand the system, click the link down below in the YouTube comments and in the description. I'm going to give you guys a real result, live trading results of how this system works. So if you click the link, it'll be pinned. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. Read how to subscribe. If you're on your Android, you will have to subscribe on your computer, your phone's browser. Avoid scammers. This is a very popular server now. A lot of people are coming in trying to scam you. I will never DM you first. And keep in mind that the only service I offer is through Discord. It's safely processed. You won't have to worry about. We have a good support system here. Click the top left in the server shop and you'll see how to trade like a pro, guys. For 12 bucks a month, you get access to the Day and Swing Trading Plus. I highly recommend that because swing trading can be boring. You want to be in trades while you're accumulating the dips on swings. I'm in a couple swings, even though it's been really hard. It's been really nice. I've been winning a lot of trades, and in this nasty environment, I'm still able to trust the system, and the system has made me tons of money. Day trade is obviously the best because no matter what the market is, there's always a trade to get into, and you can make consistently 10 to 20% gains a day doing this exact system. For 12 bucks a month, if you subscribe, do it on your computer because it'll be a flat rate of $11.99. You won't have to pay any more, so do try to do that on your computer, and you'll get access to all these things. I've been adding a lot of channels. We have the prop firms I'm doing with you guys, day trading education, day trade alerts, swing trading education, swing trade alerts, RTK journal to see my my wins and losses, what trades I'm in, and how accurate the system is, day trade chat. RTK live stream is something new. You'll get notified when I go live through here, and you can ask me any questions and how this system works, guys. So I hope you enjoy this, guys. I think this is a really nice system. Like I said, guys, I want the best for you. I want everyone to be profitable. This is stock HOLO. My price predictions are very basic. Are we going to go to the EMA 10 or are we going to go to the EMA 20? The EMA 5, 10, and 20 will always get hit. And if you follow this trend channel, when price gets above the channel, you know, if you're getting in at my entries and where I like it, then yes, you can make decent money. 20 cents, 29 cents to 36 cents is really good money, guys. But yeah, always take what the market gives you, rinse, repeat, and you'll be fine on HOLO, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope to see you in the Discord. Let's make some massive money together. Peace out.